Hey beautiful people, I am back. It's been a while and I'm going to do a video on Lucid Dreams. This is one of my best sellers right here. It's a tea and also smokable herb blend. Okay, I sell a lot of this and I found that most of the people that buy it are smokers. So let's get into it. We're going to need a base and we've got Damiana, and I'm going to put this in the bowl right here. And this is very commonly used in smokable blends. I think a lot of people use this as their base. But before we finish and go down the rabbit hole and go to Smurfville, right after that, you're going to need support, okay? A lot of people use melanin as a supportive herb, horehound. You can use thyme, marshmallow. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and use mugwort. We're going to add this, and this is also a common base that's used. And I'm going to mix that a little bit like that. And then also we have linen flour, okay? Once you do that, you're going to have to get you want something for the nervous system, which mugwort works for that as well. And then you're going to need flavoring. Get all of that in there. Mix it up a little bit. Like I said, I sell a lot of this here. And then we're going to add some lavender buds right here. See that? This is going to be for the flavoring, because there's nothing like the smell and the relaxing scent of lavender. Okay. And then from there, I'm going to move the Blue Lotus out of the way, and we're going to add the chamomile, because this is also relaxing and it also has a great scent and flavoring to it. So I'm just going to put it in here. And you can see that right there. And we're going to add that in. And I'm going to mix it. And now for the star of the show. Give me 1 second. We're going to add the Blue Lotus. Okay. Yes, there's a lot of it because I do sell this on my site as well, along with the other herbs that you saw. And you have to excuse my voice, guys, because my son had a wrestling match yesterday. And, well, let's just say I did a lot of yelling. Okay, so when I do the Blue Lotus, zoom in, hon. I'm going to show them how I do it. I pull the stems off as well. And I get, oh, look at that beautiful color. Look at that beautiful color. Come on now. We're going right down the rabbit hole. Okay, so you pull all that off. And I can tend to be a little generous with the Blue Lotus sometimes, because this, along with the lavender, the Damiana, the chamomile, all that, it will have you so relaxed. And like I said, I take this in tea form, but the majority of the people that purchase this from me, they use it as a smokable blend. So add a little more. I like to see that color in there. And then just mix it, and you can grind it up. Now, I was told that some people like it grind really good, and then some people like it fluffy. I've had people email me and ask me to grind it real fine or just leave it fluffy like it is. And I sell this in half an ounce and an ounce. And this is my ounce right here. If you get half an ounce, it goes in a little tin. But this is how I do it. And I wanted to share this with you all. Make sure you have a base. Make sure you have a flavoring herb, a supporting herb. And it will relax you. And I'm going to have more that I'm going to show you all about the smokable blends in another video. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.